Welcome to our video, the Forex Shark, the Super Forex trading system. 5,000 traders can't be wrong. Some traders use their Forex market as their personal ATM machine with Forex Shark trading indicator. Optimized for maximum profits, the Forex Shark generates money on any pair. This is one of the best Forex systems available for MetaTrader 4, powered by the most advanced, adaptive, and profitable trading, turning point detections, algorithms on the market using secret strategy. Why do most Forex traders lose money? Here are some of the most common symptoms to watch out for. Getting out of position too early, sign of fear. Staying in position too long, sign of greed. Closing a position for a loss, sign of fear. Not closing a losing position, sign of greed. Jumping into a trend late, sign of greed. And jumping in too early, sign of greed. The main reason for losing money in Forex trading is not having control over your emotions. That is why you need some technical indicators to guide you and hence overcome the human emotion issues. This product will give you everything you need to overcome losses and gain profits in Forex trading. The display on the chart gives you trend analysis of M1 to H4, time frames, and the entry signals for profitable trading, and also buy and sell indicators as shown in the pictures below. Ultimate trends. So this is the ultimate trends, and this is the information board. The information board gives you the trend analysis of M1 to H4 time frames. Trend is up, down, weak, strong, bullish, bearish, and the buy and sell indicators show you when to buy and when to sell using non-repaint ADX crossing indicators systems with message sounds and emails alerts. It originally sells for $997. It's been dropped down to only $47 for a lifetime. So it's just a one payment of $47 to get this, and you're going to download that. Okay. Now the picture below shows you an example of ways of changing a strong bearish trend to strong bullish trends, which can be monitored on information display board. Ultimate trend signals. This indicator is specifically developed to identify and trade turning points, swings, and retracements. Very simple to use. Drop it onto a chart and receive signals. Then go for profitable trading. Again, it's only a $47 purchase. Scalping. Scalping is a short-term trading strategy that allows traders to make good use of the leverage that is available in the Forex market. Scalpers look to make very quick, small profits while exposing their accounts to the possibility of small losses. When they find a profitable trend, they go for more than one trade in a short period of time, and by increasing the volume size, they can get the most out of that trend. You know that increasing the volume size is very risky. That is where this indicator comes into action to identify strong trends. See below. So, some examples, my leverage. Right? I found a good bearish trend by using this indicator. First, I opened a sell trade with volume 0.5, and then I observed the trend is very strong and bearish. Then I opened another trade at 1.36402 with a volume of 0.5. The price bar dropped down up to 1.36298 and then moved upwards. Then I closed both trades, and you can see the results in above pictures. I have earned $36 in 5 minutes. Total profit is $49.60. If I entered a few more entries, I would have gained more. Day trading. Day trading euros, United States. This is a 100% risk-free guarantee. You will have access to everything. If you're not completely satisfied, I'll give you an immediate refund. Every last cent without any fuss. We intend to treat you like we would like to be treated. In other words, we think you deserve to try this incredible system knowing that you're not at risk. Our goal is to help you achieve success, and we're readily available to help you around the clock. All right, so go ahead and click on the information down below to get the profit chart. I won't say this system is 90% profitable as most others do, but it will optimize to provide you accurate trend signals plus buy and sell alerts for profitable forex trading and to minimize emotional human factors which leads to losing trades. This setup will suit for scalpers and day traders. And the most important, I should mention that it will be suitable for beginners and for veterans too. This system is not an EA, it is for manual trading only. This is what you will get in this package. Step-by-step user guide PDF, the software itself. The software is in action screenshots and sample trades. All right, so go ahead and click on the description in the link in the description box to get the Forex Shark. This system really works, and you'll be definitely happy that you are using Forex Shark, your day trading and also your Forex trading. Thanks for tuning in.